In our video, we will solve this problem.
13
Minus
12
times
13
minus
12.
You know, according to the PEMDAS, you must do this multiplication first. Then you have to work from left to right. So first you have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. So let's start our solution. We first start with this multiplication.
12
Times
13
which equals.
156.
Now you can write the problem as
13
minus
156
minus
12.
and you must work from left to right.
13
Minus
156
which equals
minus 143
minus
12
and the problem became
minus 143
minus
12
which equals.
minus 155.
So this was the final answer to this problem.